What's going on, everyone? Emad with EMT here, and today we're going to find out exactly how to lift this car using ramps, the safest way to use ramps. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to kind of get the vehicle positioned exactly where you want it to move up. Then you're going to place the ramps right in front of each one of the two tires. You kind of want to go look like this. You want the ramps to be you want the tire to be in the ramp as much as possible. Sometimes it's just hard, but it's perfectly safe even if it's not on there 100%, as long as it's not off there by 90%. Again, see, this one kind of looks a little bit too far out, so move it in. Now, a problem with these ramps here in particular is, if you notice, if I try to get the vehicle to drive on there, the bumper hits these ramps. You know, if you have a truck kind of like this and they could just monster on the ramps, that's fine. But for lower vehicles like this, or even lowered vehicles like that Honda right there, it's pretty important for you to use planks of wood like this, guys. What it's gonna do is it's gonna make the approach angle just a little bit less. So instead of it going like that, it's just gonna make it a little less. I recommend heavier wood just so it doesn't pop up and hit the rocker panels. Honestly, even if it does pop up and hit the rocker panels, it's not gonna cause damage at all because, well, that's steel and this is wood. But I'll show you exactly how to get it set up. Alright, so as you can see, I'm moving the ramps back, and then I'm putting the wood. I'm trying to get the wood as straight as possible with the tire, with the projected trajectory of the tire, if that makes sense to y'all. Plank is right under the middle of the wheel, so the wheel's just gonna slowly creep up there, and the wheels are gonna sit on these two wells. Make sure that they are lined up there, and then if you look at the other side, it's the same way. The car's just going to slowly creep up here, and the wheels are just going to sit right in the middle of those wells. Alright, let's see how this works. Honestly, for a lower vehicle like this, I definitely recommend using a jack and a jack stand. It's probably going to be a lot easier to work with. So as you can see, this tire's kind of sticking out a little bit. That's fine. Nothing's going to happen to it as long as it's not majority, even close to half the way off. Then that's bad. But yeah, as you can see, that side came out pretty good, and this side came out pretty good. Let's check underneath to make sure it's not hanging off the bottom. And yeah, no, that looks pretty good. Emergency brake can go, and you also want to chock the back wheels. Like so. Thank you for watching. I really hope you liked the video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, hey, like, share, subscribe. That way I can bring you guys more great content. Thank you, and stay tuned for more.